Maker's meetup just ended and we've improved a LED lamp. The interesting part was that a 9-volt double battery inside, but it was charged by a simple 5-volt USB cable, and the goal was to make it work directly from the USB. So we just bought a converter from our small electronics part component shop that is provided by Tadabadi, and Ashton get it done. Another interesting project from Ashton, he is working on a snowboard game in Unity with some interesting challenges. Hope to keep you updated, and I wish Ashton to make a good progress in the next couple of months. The lamp improvement leads to a discussion about lithium batteries, how they work, how they burn, why they burn, and what are the safety precautions you should make while dealing with lithium batteries. So if you're interested in 3D printing, robotics, our Makers meetups at 7 p.m. every Wednesday at Pirate Bay.